Hello everyone, happy to see you here. Welcome back to my channel Brain Logic, and today we have a really interesting, quick and fast relaxing challenge 2 times 3 plus 3 times 3. This is challenge you have seen. Everyone can solve this challenge easily and without any problems because we have basic multiplication, basic addition, basic multiplication. So as you can see, everyone learned this stuff in the 3rd grade, so that's fantastic. So right now, go ahead and put your answer down into the comment section. We have all these 3 options, A, B and C. So choose one option what do you think is the correct answer and write your option down into the comment section. It will be really interesting to read about it. It will be really interesting to check our answers in the end of the video. Okay, so right now, what do we have right here? Let's write our challenge. So we have 2, we have 3 plus 3 inside parentheses and times 3. So here is our challenge. And a lot of students might be saying, okay, what do we have right here? We have right here addition. So for example, let's start with this addition. So we have 3 plus 3 equal to 6 because we need to start with parentheses. 6 times 3 we have right here, and behind parentheses we have 2. So we have 2, 6, 3, 6 times 3 we have 18, and 18 times 2 we have 36. So a lot of students might be saying, okay, 36 is the correct answer, I solve this challenge and I go to the next question. But one really important thing, in terms of math, we can't solve our questions randomly because this is a very bad thing in terms of math. We need to know what is the correct order of operation. We can't solve our challenges wherever we want. For example, we have addition, we start with addition. This is not a good thing generally, because we need to scan what do we have right here, what mathematical operation do we have in our challenge, like square root, exponents, powers, like multiplication, division, and a lot of mathematical things that we need to know. So right now, for example, okay, this is a solution, but right now I want to show you the second interpretation. But in this second interpretation, I'm going to show you this PEMDAS order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All most popular calculators work according to this PEMDAS. So how does this PEMDAS works? PEMDAS works from the top to the bottom. So first we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses. Next we should evaluate exponents. Next we should evaluate multiplication, division group, and the last step is addition and subtraction group. So higher position means higher priority. Parentheses has the higher position than exponents, and so we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses at first. So what do we have right here? 2, and inside parentheses we have 3 plus 3 times 3. So right now, how can we solve this challenge according to this PEMDAS order of operation? We need to scan what elements do we have right here. So for example, we need to solve this according to PEMDAS, and right now let's scan from the top to the bottom, because parentheses has the highest priority, so it implies that we should evaluate the expression inside parentheses at first, and we have parentheses right here. So we need to evaluate the expression inside parentheses. So our first step is to evaluate the expression inside parentheses. Let's go to the next step. What about next step? Next step, we should scan what do we have right here inside parentheses. Let's look at it. So this is not a basic expression. We have addition, we have multiplication. So right now we need to scan where do we have these mathematical operations right here in this paper, on this PEMDAS order of operation. We don't have a basic regular expression, so 3 plus 3 or 3 times 3. We have 3 plus 3 times 3, and we need to know what we need to do at first. So let's look at it. So right here we have addition, right here we have addition and multiplication. Addition we have, where do we have? We have addition right here. Multiplication we have right here. Okay, and right now, as I told before, higher position means higher priority. Okay, so multiplication has the higher position than addition. So first we should evaluate the expression with multiplication sign. So this is our second step. After finding parentheses, we have our second step, multiplication. So 3 times 3. This is our second step, and generally this is a first step, but according to PEMDAS this is second step. So let's do this. So we have right here 2, and we have right here 3 plus 3 times 3 equal to 9. Okay, right now we need to do this addition part, because this is our third step. This is addition part, and what do we have right here? 2 times 3 plus 9 equal to 12. And our final step, this is multiplication, but right now you don't need your order of operation because this is very basic multiplication. 2 times 12 equal to 24. And we complete, to solve this challenge, we complete solving this challenge according to PEMDAS. We don't have exponents, we don't have division, we don't have subtraction. So first step, parentheses, next multiplication, third division, and the last step is basic multiplication, so you don't need this order of operation. But one really important moment, because a lot of students confused, and they might be saying, hey mister, we don't have this option right here, we don't have 24, and then a lot of students go back to this answer 36, and they think, okay mister, we don't have this option, and they go back to this 36, we have it, it. And this is very bad solution. So as I told before, this is randomly method. We just solve this challenge absolutely randomly, which is a very bad thing in terms of math, because we just do whatever we want. We want to add it, we do this. We want to multiply, we do this, and we solve this challenge absolutely randomly, absolutely chaotically. So forget about this 36. This is a wrong solution, because addition then multiplication, this is very bad thing. Addition is after multiplication all the time. So forget about this 36. What about this 24? This is of course a correct answer, because we solve it according to a correct order of operations. So right now 24 is a correct answer. What about option? Not A, not B, but what about C? For factorial, let's remember, let's learn that this is a product 1 times 2 times 3 times 4. Let's multiply all of the things. So 1 times 2, 2, 2 times 3, 6, 6 times 4, we have 24. So for factorial, this is the same as 24. Really great. So our answer to this challenge, this is option. Option C is a correct answer to this challenge and a correct solution, of course, in this second interpretation. So I hope you understand this explanation. I hope you learned something new. You can easily check this answer in your calculator, but don't use a regular calculator, because you know it sometimes happens that those type of calculators work with problem as you type it in. Try to find a calculator where you can plug in the whole entire problem, and then a calculator is smart enough to know about order of operations. So for example, we have 2 times 3, we have 6, but a calculator doesn't know what do we have further. So try to find a calculator where you can plug in the whole entire problem, and then a calculator see, okay, I have addition, multiplication, parentheses, and I go to the next order. PEMDAS order of operation. So thank you for your time. See you in the next videos. Have a great day. Also write your thoughts down into the comment section. It will be really interesting to read about it, and see you in the next videos. Have a great day.